to purchase it. Number 5 is FLASHFORGE 3D printer. When creating fantastic keycaps that scream style and uniqueness, the FLASHFORGE 3D printer takes the crown as the ultimate 3D printing wizard. With its larger-than-life build volume, Finder 3 unleashes your creativity like never before, making those keycaps pop with a whopping 270% increase in space. But that's not all. This magical machine boasts a high-temperature nozzle that reaches a scorching 260 degrees Celsius, opening up a world of filament possibilities. From PLA to ABS, HIPS to PETG, PET Pro to TPU95A, Finder 3 handles them all with finesse, letting you dive into endless printing adventures. Say goodbye to sticky situations with the glass platform and PEI magnetic build plate combo. It sticks to your creations like magic, ensuring a solid adhesion and quick heat up for faster printing. No more worries about power outages or filament mishaps. Finder 3 is equipped with impressive resume printing and filament sensor features. It knows when the filament is ready for action and can recover flawlessly from power losses, seamlessly continuing your print exactly where it left off. It's like having a trusty assistant in your creative journey. So if you want the 3D printer right now, check out the link in the description box. That's all from us in today's video. Hope you enjoyed this overview of the best 3D printer for keycaps. If you like any of these best 3D printers, then check out the link provided in the description box below to purchase them right now. Thanks for watching! And please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our Sublimation Focus channel for more amazing upcoming videos.